Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. It's time to further our knowledge in real estate. Today, our title is Maximizing Home Affordability, Tips and Tricks. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. So, what do we mean by home affordability? It's the measure of your financial capacity to buy a home. This is influenced by various factors such as your income, your credit score, and the current market prices of homes. Your income, of course, is the main driver. The more you earn, the more you can afford. Your credit score is also crucial. A higher score can fetch you a better interest rate, thereby increasing your buying power. Lastly, the market prices of homes in your desired area play a significant role too. The higher the prices, the less affordable the homes. Understanding the factors that affect home affordability is the first step to maximizing it. Now let's dive deeper. Now that we have a basic understanding of home affordability, we can explore some tips to maximize it. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, focus on improving your credit score. This 3-digit number is a key factor lenders consider when determining your mortgage interest rate. A higher score can secure you a lower rate, potentially saving you thousands over the life of your loan. Strive to pay your bills on time and keep your credit card balances low. Remember, consistency is key in credit score improvement. Next, consider saving for a larger down payment. The more you put down up front, the less you'll have to borrow. And less borrowing means smaller monthly payments. Plus, if you can manage to put down at least 20% of the home's purchase price, you can avoid paying private mortgage insurance, a cost that can add up over time. Another strategy is to consider a less expensive property, perhaps a smaller home or one in a less trendy neighborhood. This might not be your dream home, but it's a stepping stone towards it. By buying a less expensive property, you can build equity and improve your financial stability, paving the way for a future upgrade. Finally, don't overlook the power of first-time homebuyer programs. These programs, offered by both government agencies and private lenders, can provide low-interest loans, grants, and even tax credits. They are designed to make home ownership more accessible, so be sure to research and take advantage of the ones you qualify for. Implementing these tips can significantly increase your home affordability, but there's more to consider. Stay tuned for our next segment where we delve into the role of the real estate market in home affordability. Remember, the journey to home ownership is not a sprint but a marathon. So pace yourself, plan wisely, and you'll cross that finish line in due time. The real estate market plays a crucial role in home affordability. Knowing when and where to buy can help you get the most for your money. Let's dive into how exactly this magnificent market works and how you can make it work for you. First, think of the real estate market as a living, breathing entity. It ebbs and flows, rises and falls based on a multitude of factors. These can range from broader economic conditions to the supply and demand of homes in a specific area. When the economy is booming and demand is high, home prices tend to increase. Conversely, in a slower economy or in areas with a surplus of homes, prices may decrease. Now you might be thinking, but how does this affect me? Well, understanding these market dynamics can empower you to make better buying decisions. For example, if you're aware that we're in a seller's market where demand is outstripping supply, you might consider waiting until conditions become more favorable. On the other hand, if it's a buyer's market with plenty of homes available and fewer buyers, you might decide it's the perfect time to make your move. Additionally, understanding regional market trends can be incredibly beneficial. For instance, you might find that the market in your dream neighborhood is too competitive right now, with prices skyrocketing. However, a few miles away, there may be another fantastic area where prices are more affordable due to a higher supply of homes. By staying informed and flexible, you can navigate these market waves to your advantage. It's also worth noting that the real estate market is influenced by interest rates. When rates are low, your borrowing power increases, making homes more affordable. Conversely, when rates are high, your purchasing power may diminish. By keeping an eye on interest rates and market trends, you can time your purchase to maximize affordability. Being savvy about the real estate market can help you maximize your home affordability. But we're not done yet. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into strategies for planning future expenses in the next segment. Home ownership doesn't stop at the purchase price. There are future expenses to consider. Understanding the true cost of home ownership means looking beyond the initial price tag. Just like planning a journey, owning a home involves navigating various expenses that go beyond the mortgage. One of these is home maintenance. A rule of thumb suggests setting aside 1% of your home's purchase price annually for upkeep and repairs. Then, there's property taxes. These vary by location, but are a perennial part of homeownership. Remember, as your home's value rises, so too might your tax bill. Lastly, homeowners insurance is a must. It protects your investment against unexpected disasters. The cost will depend on factors like location, home size, and coverage level. All these costs can add up. So it's crucial to factor them into your budget. By planning for these expenses, you're not just buying a house, you're investing in a home you can comfortably afford. Planning for these expenses can help you truly maximize your home affordability. Maximizing home affordability isn't just about getting a good deal on a house. It's about making smart financial decisions that ensure you can comfortably afford your home in the long term. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the basics of home affordability to tips on how to maximize it. We've delved into the role of the real estate market and how it impacts our buying power. And we've touched on the importance of planning for future expenses to avoid financial strain down the line. Each of these aspects is a crucial piece of the puzzle. They work in harmony to help you not only buy a house, but make it a home without breaking the bank. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be in your journey to home ownership. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.